Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. Begin by opening Photos app and then holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple right away, click on this dot at the top right corner. If you wish to exclude some, just click on the chosen ones. To get rid of the rest, click on this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!